Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to another video. As usual, let me start with a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not an investment advice. You are discouraged from following whatever I'm doing here. Please make sure that you don't blindly follow any of the things that I'm doing here. Keep in mind, my name has a word stupid in it, which means that I may be making a lot of stupid decisions. So don't mess up your money by following what I'm doing. This is no way an investment advice. I'm sharing what I'm doing with my investment journey. So having said that, let me talk about what is happening today. The market has been falling for a few days and it is picking up again. So today it's kind of up, but I still made a lot of purchases today. And so far I have some 20 orders executed. Out of that, 19 are purchases, one little bit of sale. But as I always say, I'm not like a trader. I am an investor, long-term investor. I do offload a little bit of for little part of my, little bit periodically when I find it is the right time. But I have my 20 orders executed and I still have some 14 still pending. I think most of this will go through today because I have not placed any aggressive bids, so many of this will come through. Look at what I have today so far. SHAREINDIA, CAPLIPOINT, MSUMI, INFY, EMAMI. There's a lot of them. Now, the biggest purchase I have is today is INFY. INFY at 1425, I purchased stamps around 14,000. I think that is the biggest purchase today. So I want to speak about INFY and why I made that purchase. Now, INFY is one of my favorite tech stocks. Other than, I mean, I also have other things in my portfolio like TCS, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Mastech, OFSS, a number of them. But INFY is one where I am very, very bullish. So let me see what I have with Infosys. Okay, this is my statistics. I have so far 550 stocks. I've invested close to 9 lakhs or 900,000 in INFY. And I overinvested because my goal to invest in INFY was around 430,000. And I'm currently almost double from my goal. My average purchase is 1597. Now, one of the reason I purchased a lot more is because I was getting in pretty good price. I think that's okay. It's a very strong stock that I'm very bullish about. So investing more periodically is okay. Again, that's my strategy. It may or may not work for many of you. So looking at some of the metrics, some of the numbers, sales has been steadily growing. Last 2 years, last 4 years, sale has been growing by around 10 or about 10. Last year was 21% growth, which is very good. ROC is pretty good, consistently above 30%, which is great. Free cash flow is great. It's always positive and it is growing. And last year, 21,000 crores free cash. Operation margin is great. For the last 10 years, it's over 20%, which is great. And net profit has also been showing good numbers. However, in 2020, net profit wasn't so good. 2019 wasn't so good as well. But overall, INFY as a company has showing very strong growth, and these numbers are pretty good. The cash conversion cycle is about 60, which is not great. But again, this has the rank 73, right? Which means that I have a 72 other companies stronger than this. That's the reason my goal is only very little, like 4 lakhs. Because I have, I mean, I think TCS is probably much having a much higher rank than, or much higher rank than Infosys for me. They have more holding there. But overall, it's a good company, in my opinion, and I'm investing a lot. And today I purchased another 10. So this 550 is including what I purchased today. But I am currently at a loss. Right now, I'm in 93,000 loss on this company, on this stock, which is around 10%, 11%. I'm in loss, but that's okay. That is expected, and I was okay to take that that risk. That's pretty much a little bit of my investment history with INFY. As we can see here, I started in 2021 May, and now this blue line indicates my my total investment. My investment grew like this, and I think I reached 5 lakhs somewhere last year, March. And this March, I'm at 8 lakhs. This is how my investment grew. And this red shows how my profit fluctuated. So I was kind of in profit early. 2022 Jan, I was positive. Up to April 2022, I was positive, and then the price fell, and this is kind of my loss. But that's okay, that's expected. So in terms of purchase trend, I purchased 10 in 2021. The biggest purchase was probably in that year was in October. I purchased 122, and I had a bigger purchase in 2022 April, 179, and then 99 in May. This is kind of my purchase trend, and this purple line is the average market price in that month. And most of my purchases are below the market rate. Like, for example, what I bought in July was below the market price. What I bought in September was below the market price. But the problem is I bought a lot of purchases here when the market price was pretty high. So this red line is my average purchase price. And right now, market price is below my average. That's the reason I am on a loss. But as it picks up, I should be okay. So overall, I'm not worried about being at a loss of 10%. I'll continue to buy if it stays like that, and eventually, when the market picks up, I'll be in good place. So that's all I wanted to speak about today. Thank you for watching.